Did you know your heart is not supposed to beat like a metronome? It should skip and stutter slightly between every beat. That tiny variation is called heart rate variability, and scientists now believe it is one of the clearest windows into how well your body is actually aging. When your nervous system is healthy, your heart rhythm stays flexible. When stress builds, sleep suffers, or recovery slows down, that flexibility quietly disappears, often years before you feel anything wrong. Here's what makes this remarkable. Your body is generating a detailed health report every single second. It tracks your stress load, your recovery quality, and your biological resilience in real time. Most people never read it. Alcohol drops it overnight. One poor night of sleep can cut it nearly in half. But consistent rest, calm mornings, and time outdoors can bring it back in ways that feel almost immediate. Your heart is not just keeping time, it is keeping score. The question is whether you are paying attention to what it is telling you.